me, you can see the PPR products in green, in white, and the P color, P products. Yeah, and first of all, I will introduce that what kind of products Rehome do and the history of Rehome. In the first Rehome that we have a strong professional technical team equipped with the most advanced computer control pipe extrusion production line. Later, I will show you the video and you can see it very clearly in the video show. And we also have the fitting injection molding machinery. Yeah, totally for the PBR, there is total 22 sets of machine. And for the PPR pipes, the production line totally is 8. Yeah, and later I will show, you can see it from the video. So welcome our friends to visit our live show. And if you have any inquiries or interested in our PPR products, you can leave messages to us and we will get back to you soon. Yeah, GP and PPR products. So we also have experience to supply pipes and fittings to the railway and airport construction, municipal water supply system and water treatment, power station and solar power system, hotel and villa building, Shanghai Disneyland Park, and the world famous copper and gold mining project in Mongolia and Kazakhstan, etc. So if you know that we are a very experienced supplier project, so if you have any inquiries, you can send us. If you have any problems while you are install your products, you can leave messages to us and we will get back to you later. So the first thing to do is to leave your messages and then we will contact you later. Yeah. So first I will introduce Rehome Pipe history. We were established since 2002 and started PPR products. In 2003, that we have acquired the Shanghai Tap through PPR pipe and fitting hygiene lessons that we are authorized by the Chinese government. And yeah, and from that we have got high reputation among domestic market. In in 2004 we have obtained several certificates like green building material certificate in 2004. So in 2004 it is a landmark to our company that we have exported our products into the international market like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, etc. Yeah, so that is the first time we have exported to overseas countries since 2004, and now it's 2022. 18 years passed. So we are a very experienced manufacturer and overseas suppliers. In 2005, that we have passed the ISO 9001 certificates, and we independently research and develop PPR antibacterial pipe. So what's the difference of the PPR and the antibacterial pipe? You can see it very clearly. Yeah, so this is the normal pipe we usually use, that it is stuff only one layer, and the antibacterial pipe it is double layer. It has is white inside. Also, what is the main difference? You can see the difference is directly from the appearance. So one is single layer and the other is two layer, but the water thickness is the same. And the antibacterial pipe, you can see that it can pure the water and make the water more clean, so it is more healthier. But the price, the price is, of course, it's more expensive. So if you want a price If you want details, you can leave messages and we will get back to you. If you don't leave messages, we don't have any ways to contact you. Yeah. But if you leave messages, we are in your record list. And then next, if you are in need of the pipe products, then you can find those more easily. Yeah. So this is the PPR antibacterial pipe that we established the PPR production line of the antibacterial pipe since 2005. Yeah. So in 2007, since we have made a huge process of the PPR products, and in 2007, this year, we were establish another production line of the HDPE. So HDPE, we have more than 15 years experience, and the raw material we use is 100%. So the PE pipes and fittings are successfully launched in the market. In 2012, that is another landmark to our company that we have got the Shanghai Disneyland project. Yeah, so next time, if our friends that you will come to Shanghai, then we will invite you to have a look and have fun there. And in the next 2 years, in 2014, that we establish our another branch in Russia that is called Shanghai Russia Group's office. And in the same year that we have developed and put into production of the UPVC products of American standard and Australian standard. As you know that if you want to make the American standard and Australian standard, you need to put a lot of energy there and cost as well. And since we have got the Shanghai Disneyland project and the products that of course was the American standard, so we opened another production line of the UPVC. But since now the raw material of the UPVC is very high, if you want to compare with the price, you can leave messages to us, and then we will give you some details and maybe some discount. Because we are manufacturer, not traders, so the price from us is very competitive, and also the quality is very good. Yeah, you can always trust Rayhong. Okay, welcome our new friend. Come to our live show. Here is Sandy from Rayhong Pipe, and now we introduce our Rayhong Pipe history. From 2002, they will establish ourselves after PPR products, and next in 2007 HDP pipe, and in 2014 that we have established the UPVC products. Yeah, and in 2016 that we have successfully completed the first phase of supply of the Shanghai Disneyland project. Yeah. So I'm talking that if next time everything is recovered and go to normal, then if you have come to Shanghai, we will invite you to Shanghai Disneyland to have a look and have fun there. Yeah, sure, we will have fun in the Disneyland park. Yeah. So since 2016. After that, we have organized a new sales team for international market, focused on the South Asia and South American market. So here we are. Our factory located in the Shanghai Fengxian district, but office located in the Minhang district. If you are interested in, you can leave messages. Yeah, not only for record that you can search it more easily when you are in need, but also you can let us know what you are in need, and we will offer you very competitive price, because you know that now the situation is not that good. We understand that the buyers maybe don't want to don't want the products cost too much. So no worries, Rayhong Pipe is here to solve your problems and offer you some solutions. if you are in need of something, you can leave messages. Yeah, we will get back to you. So just now I have shared with you about our rehome pipe history, which you can have a brief understanding of how rehome pipe do and what we are doing. And the next, what kind of projects, what achievements that rehome pipe done. And later we will introduce it one by one. Yeah, so if you have any problems, you can leave messages or you can type, just type it here and I will answer you directly. Yeah. Very welcome all of you to be our live show. And the next I will introduce our factory to all of you, because now you know the COVID-19 is again in the Shanghai, so we cannot go to our factory, but we can show you on the video. Yeah, so let's have a clear look. Okay, so you can see this is our rehome factory. This is the rehome logo here. And if you are interested in, you can leave messages and we will send you the document. Or if you want the this kind of video, yeah, of course, we will share it with you. Okay. Welcome our new friends, and now we introduce our rehome pipe history. You can take a look. So this is our factory located in Shanghai, China. You can see the rehome logo there, and this is the gate. Here is the Chinese company name, that is Shanghai Zhuhai Enterprise Group, located in the Fengxian district. Okay, so this is our workshop. This one is for the PPR, and then later we will look at inside. Okay, so this is our brief look. This is the administrative building. Look inside, here is the rehome logo there, and you can see this is our employee wall. Everyone just like a drop of water that combines into rehome pipe, a big family. Yeah, so everyone just distribute themselves into this kind of group. Yeah, beloved family here. And here is the PPR production workshop. Totally for the PPR pipes, there are 8 production line. Yeah, you can see it is very clean, and and here comes the raw material. It is imported from the barrage Dubai. Yeah, so our raw material is 100%, and the material is imported from Dubai. Yeah, so this is the production line. You can see how the pipes come out from the raw material, get into the intrusion machine, molding machine, then comes out the PPR pipe. Yeah, and after that, cooling down to make the temperature suitable and laser the marks on it. Yeah, and for the marks, you can see, I will show you. This is the mark. Okay, so let's take a close look. For the mark, we will, here is the mark process, and we will mark the rehome logo here, and the PPR, and 2.5 MPa, that means the pressure rate, that is DN20, okay, 2.5 MPa, yeah. And DN25, that is the OD, the size is 25, and the work thickness is 4.2 millimeter. And the standard is DIN 8077 and 8078. So this is the standard, and how it works on the how do we make it. So just now you can see that we bring down the, so if you want to change the mark, no problem, you can, no problem, you can send us your requirement and we will customize it according to your needs. Okay, so here is the, So once everything done, the machine will cut it into 4 meter per pieces. And later they will package. This is the plastic bag with the Reham logo. Okay, so here, this one is the purple PPR products. PPR pipe is the antibacterial pipe. You can see it very clearly that it is double layer. It has the white inside silver, anti-silver. Yeah, it will make the water more clean. Yeah, so here comes the PPR fittings. Totally, there are 22 sets of fittings machine. Okay, this is the automatic production line. It can do automatically, no humans in it. Yeah, when the products come out, it will cut it by itself. And if the fittings was the metal one, then it needs the human to combine it. Yeah. So here it comes up. Okay, now the next workshop is for the HDP. This is the P PE pipes. PRT pipes. Okay. Just a brief watching. And now here is Rehome Pipe Laboratory. You can have a look. Okay, welcome our new friend. Here is Sandy from Rehome Pipe. We're introducing our Rehome. Before shipped, we will ask our technical team to test it. Make sure everything goes well, then we will ship it out. Yeah, and each bulk we will keep the records in our sample room in case there is something wrong once the customer receive the cargo. Yeah, so we will keep the bulk, one of the bulk for records. So this is the HDP pipes. Yeah, it is lay outside because we are waiting for the confirmation from the clients, the shipment notice. Yeah, and here is the PPR fitting on the PE fittings warehouse. It will be packed in part cartons, and here is the PPR. Okay, this is our certificate board. You know that Reham Pipe has won quite a lot of high reputation among domestic and overseas market because we have several kinds of certificates to make sure that our quality can match the standard. So for the PPR, we accord with the ISO 15874, and for the PE, it is a cost with the ISO 4427. Or if you are interested in our plastic products, you can leave messages. Yeah, you can keep us in your record list in case that in the future you have any needs of the PPR products and the fittings and you want to compare price. No worries. I think our price is the most competitive in the market because we have quality, we are factory, and we have quality and the price from us is very competitive. Okay, so this is our certificate wall. Yeah, this is the sample room that demonstrates some systems, some daily system may used. Yeah. So this is just for reference. So if you want to know more about our company and want to get the catalog of our projects, you can leave messages to us. Okay. Yeah. Not only just now I mentioned for record is fine, and for the price comparison, yeah, no worries, it's totally good. Yeah, because we established since 2002, we have just gone through our 20th anniversary. So I think our quality and price support is for a long time. So next, if you have some problems, some questions with our PPR and the HDPE, you can leave messages to us. Okay, so in the first part, I will introduce our PPR products to all of you. I have the samples on hand. I will introduce it one by one. And next part, after that next part, I will wait our products to all of you. You can see that how's our quality, how good our quality. Yeah. So first, I will let you see this is our raw material, which is imported from Barrage, Dubai. And we use 100%. It's very clear and pure. And our PPR products, we have the CE certificates, ISO certificates, and we are applying the BGW certificates. It is a higher standard certificate of the PPR, and we passed the first test. And now, because this DBGW certificates last more than 1 year, so we have to wait until it come out. But good news is that we have passed the first test and have several kinds of certificates. If you are interested in, we will send you our certificates for your reference. Yeah, just leave messages. Okay. So you may wonder that this is the white raw material, and in the market we normally see the PPR in green color. Yeah, we have white color here, and we have purple color here. We have blue color. We have the orange color. So how does it come true? Here we have the color granule. We can make it. Yeah, if you want it in green, so you need to add the green granule 100%. We are not coated on the pipe surface. Some of our customers may asking, oh, Sandy, did your pipes coated with the green color? Oh, no, that's not. We use the 100% color granule. Yeah, with the raw material to combine it, then it will comes out what you need. Yeah, the green color, the blue color, and the orange color. So for the blue color, it is mainly for the Brazil market. Recently, today I have sent some blue PPR products to my Brazil customer, because before I sent the samples, I sent him the price for checking. So I asked him, how about the price you think from Riham Pipe? He replied, oh, that's good. That's very good. So he wants to see our sample. So I think if our sample pass his test, we will get the orders and we will be their partner. Yeah, I think I have very strong faith in our products, because we establish our company since 2002. So in 20 years, our production technique, and you can see the warehouse, the factory, everything. Yeah, we can uh, match our customers' requirements. So if you have any customized inquiry, or if you just want to have a price comparison, no worries, send us your inquiry. Okay, yeah. So this is our PPR pipe, and here is the marks. Okay, I will show you the mark. Wait a moment, because some of our customers, they are thinking, hey, can I raise the logo? We no need logo on the surface. Of course, we can achieve it. Just like this blue, just like this blue pipe. You can see it's very clean on the surface and no mark there. Yeah, it's very because customers ask us, okay, no mark on the surface. Okay, we will do what you require. Just send you your requirements is, then we will follow up. Yeah. So you may wonder, okay, from the surface, this is the white color, and this one, okay, it's red color. What's the difference? White green was red and blue was white. Here is the thing. It depends on where you need it. Since we know PPR can be used in cold water and hot water. So the line that is the distinguish the it is for the hot water or cold water. So for the blue line, for the white line, that is for cold water, and for the red line is for the hot water. Yeah. And you can see, also you can see if there is mark, you can also see because on the rehome marks we will also mention the pressure rate. This is the 2.5 MPa PN20 and the size is 25. Yeah, and the standard. If you want us to mention, here is the DIN 8077 standard is for Germany. But if you want us to mention ISO 442, ISO 15874, yeah, that's okay. We can customize based on your requirements. If you want what you are requires, you just need to send us your requirements. Just need to leave messages. Okay. Yeah. So this is our PPR pipes. If you have any questions about the pipes, please let us know. And later, I will introduce our PPR fittings. You can see there are several fittings in front of us, and I have a file that can also share with you. Just wait a moment. Yeah, so this is the PPR pipes. Here comes several fittings that you may see in the market. Yeah, so the first is the coupling. Yeah, I would like to introduce the coupling. Okay, since we don't have the equal coupling here, you can see it directly from the from these parts. This is the equal coupling, and this one is the reducing coupling. What is called reducing? Reducing means that these two sides, the size of these two ends is not the same. This one is smaller, but this one is bigger. Okay, so this is the reducing coupling. Yeah, reducing coupling. And you can see it closely that the size, this is DN32 to 20, and here is Rehome logo here. Okay, so at this side, it will mention the PPR material and S2.5, that is the pressure rate. Okay, so this is our PPR reducing products. Welcome our new friends come to our live show. Here is Sandy introduce our PPR fittings. You can see closely. This is our PPR reducing coupling. Yeah, it is smaller, but if you want to see something different, okay, we will show you. This is the reducing coupling. Okay, this is the reducing coupling, and the next is the 45-degree elbow. 45-degree elbow. Yeah. 45-degree elbow. It also has Rehome logo here and PPR material, S2.5 is the pressure rate, and DN25 is the size. Yeah, so this is the 45-degree elbow. And here is the 90-degree elbow. Welcome our new friends. So if you have any questions, if you want our rehome pipe PPR catalog, you can leave messages and we will send all the file to you for checking. Okay, so this is the 90-degree elbow. And next, this is the equal T. This is the equal T. This is the equal T. Yes, this is the equal T. It also has rehome logo here and the size. Yeah. If you want to know it clearly, see it clearly, you can ask us and we'll take pictures to you. Okay. And next, this is the end cap. Okay, it's just like a hat to it's just, yeah, it's very cute, right? And the size is DN50 and the pressure rate is S2.5 PN20. Okay. We have smaller size here, several size. So if you want to access some details, you need to tell me, okay, first, what do you need? What products do you need? Do you need end cap, T, or 90-degree elbow, or 45-degree elbow, or the reducing coupling? So tell me, what do you need? And the next, tell me about the size, because we have several sizes here. Tell me what size do you need? Okay, just these two, then we will offer you the price. Okay, so if you want to get our whole product price list, leave messages. Yeah, and then we will discuss more. Okay. Okay, so this is the end cap. This is the end cap. We have more end caps in our sample. And the next, this is the PPR products that without metal parts. We call it all plastic PPR fittings. And the next, we have another types of PPR fittings that is called PPR fittings with metal parts. Okay, so you can see this is the male threaded 90-degree elbow, male threaded, and this is the female threaded reducing coupling. Yeah, it has metal parts here, and the weight is not the same. So if you want to test the weight, you have to melt. If you want to compare the how quality is, you need to melt the metal part and to weight it to see if the metal that we use is the quality is good. Yeah. So if you have any questions, if you want to compare our price with the others, you can let us know and we will help you out. No worries. If at the end we don't get your orders, no worry. We can be friends. Yeah, we can be friends. We can be partners at the first part. But we will happy that if we can get your orders. So this is the PPR fittings with the metal part. This is called union. Yeah, this is the union. It is not the same, right? So I'm not sure if you can see the files here clearly. There are several PPR fittings. The first one is PPR coupling, and you can see PPR reducing T, 45-degree elbow, end cap, 90-degree elbow, female threaded T, male threaded T, reducing coupling, and the male threaded elbow, female threaded elbow. And this one is PPR bridge. And we have the male threaded elbow with disc. Yeah, with disc. You can stick it on the wall. Yeah, on the wall. So if you want to know more details, just leave your messages. Okay. And next, Let's see. This page shows some bulb here. So this is the PPR stop bulb. We have it in green when we have it in white. Yeah, this is the stop bulb. We also have the ball bulb. This is not the same. This one is lighter, but this one is heavier. Yeah. And this is called double female threaded elbow. Double female threaded elbow. Yeah. Okay. And the next part, this is some of our PPR fittings. If you're interested in, we can send our PPR catalogs to all of you. And next, we will weight the PPR fittings to see how rehome fittings quality. Yeah, you can see it directly. Okay. So first, we will start with the off-plastic PPR fittings. Let's start. Okay, this is now it's 0. I cannot move it. So let me tell you. So first, we will start with the reducing coupling. And the size that is DN32 to 20, DN32 to 20, and the pressure rate that is S2.5, S2.5. Okay, so this is the reducing coupling. Let's test it. This one is 22.8, 22.8. Okay, 22.8. And this is the 45-degree elbow. This one size is 25, 25. 22.9, 22.9. It is almost the same with the reducing coupling. Here comes the 90-degree elbow. The size is DN20. It's smaller than just now. Just now, this two is 25, but this one is 20. Yeah. So let's test it. 18.6. 18.6. Yeah. If you have samples on hand, you can test by yourself. If you have samples from other suppliers, you can test by yourself and have a comparison with Rehome products. Okay, so this is the 90-degree elbow. And here is the reducing T, 25 to 20, 25 to 20. Okay, so let's have a test. 31.3, 31.3. Yeah, 31.3. Okay, so this is the reducing T. And here comes the end cap. I will test two end cap. Okay, two end cap. One is smaller and this one is bigger. So let's from the smaller one. The size is DN20. So let's have a look. This one is 7.3, 7.3. Yeah. And this is DN20, DN50. DN50 is bigger. Let's have a look. 54. This one is 54. 54. Okay. Okay, so all plastic samples we have just now tested. If you want to know more about our products, leave your messages. And then next, we will test the PPR with the metal parts. Yeah, just have a brief introduction. If you want to know the details, we can send you the samples for free. Yeah, we can send you free sample, and you can melt the metal parts and weight the metal parts to see if our we use good metals or not. Okay, we can send you free sample. There will be no problems. You can just need to leave messages to us. Okay, so this is the reducing female. This is the female threaded reducing coupling, and the size is DS32 to 1.2. Okay, the size is 63.5. 63.5. Okay, the next one is the female threaded 90-degree elbow. The size is DR25 to 3.4. 3.4. Okay, so have a look. Welcome our new friends. Here is Sandy from Ruihong Pipe, and now we are testing the weight of our PPR products. If you are interested in, you can have a look. And if you need something from us, you can leave messages. Okay, so here the weight is 111.3. 111.3. If you have samples from other suppliers, you can have a look. You can see it very directly, the difference between ours and other suppliers. Yeah. Okay, so the next is the union. Let's see, the size is 20. Yeah, so let's have a check. It's over 100 as well. It's 101.8. 101.8. So this is the weight. If you are interested in the in this ball valve, I will have a test. Okay. So for this valve, the ball valve, the weight is 88.9. 88.9. So this is the weight, the ball valve weight. And the next, this is the stop valve. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. So maybe we can have a try to see if it can read it or not. Oh, the size. Yeah, the size is DN20. DN20. Let's have a look. Wow, it's over 200, and this one is 204.5. 204.5. This is the weight of this stop valve. If you want us to test more, you can leave messages to us, and we will test it based on your requirements. Yeah. So you may wondering, okay, if I buy these products, how can we use it? Where do we use it? Let me show you. Let me show you. This is the system you can see, and it is used in the daily life. Maybe in your bathroom, maybe in your kitchen, maybe in your living house. Yeah. So let's have a look. Okay. PPR is used for hot water and also cold water. It is for water supply because the material we use is 100% and is more healthier to the human resources. Okay, so you can see from this kind of system, there are several pipes and several PPR fittings. So normally in one system, here comes the T and the 90-degree elbow. It is for the connection. Yeah, and if you want to tie the pipes up, you need clamp. We have several clamps. One is flat clamp and the clip clamp. So if you are interested in, send me your inquiry. And okay, in this system, you can see Oh, there are only three kinds of products, and one is 90-degree elbow and T equal T, and also this part is called female threaded 90-degree elbow. It is just half of it. You can see it clearly that what we use. This is the copper. This is the metal part of what we look at. If you have our samples, you can weigh it to see how heavy it is. Okay, you can see that our quality is very good, and of course the price, I'm quite sure that is very competitive. We are factory instead of traders. Okay, and this is our PPR pipes and fitting system, just for your reference. So if you are not sure how to use it or where to use it, you can let us know, and we will help you out. And if you have any problems while in decoration, while in installation, you can tell us and we will help you out. No worries about it, because Rehome Pipe is here to solve your problems. Okay, so this is our PPR pipes. The one more question for you, if you know the advantages of the PPR, because just now we have talking too much about the PPR. So I'm thinking that if you know the advantages of it, why do we use the PPR for cold water and hot water, and why don't we use the PE or other PVC products to replace the PPR pipes? Okay, so here comes the advantages. Yes, I write it down to make sure I remember it. So I will introduce it one by one to you. For the PPR advantages, because it has a lightweight, it's very light, and the size is ranges from 20 to 160 millimeter. So it's very convenient while in construction. Yeah, but for the PE products, it is ranges of over 800 millimeter. The maximum size we can do is 1,200 millimeter for the PE products. But for the PPR products, that is 20 to 160 millimeter. Yeah, it is very weight, and it has a good heat resistance, so that it can use in the in hot water. The sudden temperature can reach 95 degree, and the normal temperature it can bear 75 degree. Normally, when we are using in our bathroom, the temperature normally is 40 to 45, maybe up to 50. Yeah. So under normal use, our PP operators can last over 50 years. You hear me? 50 years. And we have 2 years guarantee. That means if there is any problems happened, if it has any leakage during 2 years, you can tell us, and we will resend you, and we maybe will give you some solutions. Yeah, we will solve your problems, so you don't have any other worries while purchasing rehome, while purchase from us, because from the first we will control the quality, we will give you very competitive price, and after service, if you will have any problems, if the product is has some leakage or has some other problems, no worry, we will guarantee it, and we are responsible for it within 2 years. Yeah, you hear me. And normally it can be used at least 50 years. So this is our PPR. And the next advantages that it has a good corrosion resistance, has a low thermal conductivity. What does it mean that it is it means that it is very safe while in construction. Yeah. And the raw material that we use is recyclable, and also this product is recyclable as well. So if you buy PPR pipes from Rehome, then we can fully equip with you the PPR fittings. You are not worried that, oh, if I can only buy pipe from Rehome pipe, so how's the fittings? No worry, we're integrated manufacturer of the PPR pipes and fittings. We can supply you pipes and the fittings. Yeah. So we can control the quality at the first stage. What you need to do is to send us your requiring lead messages, not only for records, but also tell us what you are need and what problems you are facing. We are very glad to solve your problem. So I'm very happy to be here to introduce our Rehome pipe to all of you. And the first part that I have already introduced our PPR fittings and the PPR types to all of you. Yeah. So just now I say, if you want our catalogs, if you want our company introduction file, yeah, leave messages and Sandy will reply your messages. Yeah. Um, so this is our PPR projects. And the next, I will show you what projects that we have done. Okay. Because we are because we are manufacturer and we have passed 20th anniversary this year. So what achievements that Rehome Pipe done and why customers trust Rehome Pipe? Yeah, what Rehome Pipe can offer to you. We will introduce it one project case introduction. Okay, so at the first, this is also a brief introduction of our company. I will have a summary. Okay, so we are a leading manufacturer for plastic pipe and fittings since formation in 2002. So we'll pass our 20th anniversary, and we have a modern emerging enterprise integrated research, development, production, sales, and after-sales service of PPR, PVC, HDP pipes and fittings. So you can always trust Rehome. And our factory just now I show you in the video that we have covers 80,000 square meters with more than 300 employees. A new manufacturing capacity of passive research 80,000 tons and annual sales reaches $60 million. So we have a strong professional technical team equipped with the most advanced computer control technology. So this is Rehome pipe. Okay, so here comes our project list. It's too much from 2010 to 2020. Yeah, so here comes the first project that we have participated in that is called Shanghai Expo Denmark Pavilion. It's very beautiful, don't it? So located in Shanghai. And next time, if you have any chances to visit China, we will show you, and you can have a visit. Yeah, that how Rehome Pipe participate in the projects. And in this project, that we have offered drainage pipe and fittings and also the PVC pipe and fittings. This is the project in 2010. The next project, that is the biggest project that we have got, is called Shanghai Disneyland project. It's very beautiful. Yeah, it's a goal, and we always dream to be there, to have fun. And I haven't been to the American Disneyland Park, but in the Shanghai Disneyland Park, we did have fun there. So next time, if you have chances to China, we will show you around. Welcome our new friends to come to our live show. Here's Sandy from Rehome Pack, and now we're introducing the projects that will Rehome Pack participate in. And here comes the Shanghai Disneyland project. In this project, that we have supplied the HDPE and PVC pipes and fittings, mainly for water drainage, and also the products that we have provided based on ISO 4427 is for PE, and for the PVC that occurs with the NEMA TC2. Yeah, that is the standard that we occurs with. And this year that we have completely supplied the second phase of this project. So, you know that we are an experienced project supplier, project participator. So if you want us to quote, if you have some tendering project, you can leave messages, send what you need. We will get back to you. Here comes the Maldives and Island. Wow, it's very beautiful, isn't it? I'm always wondering if there's chances to be there. And actually, it is in my tourism list for more than 2 years, but it is stopped due to the COVID-19 virus. Yeah. So in this project, what we supply, that is we supplied 65,000 meters of HDP and the fittings. Totally there is 18 pieces of 40 containers. 18 pieces of 40 containers. You can see how big the project is. Yeah, welcome our new friends. Come to our live show. Here's Sandy from Rehome Pack, and here is the project that we have participated in. It's called Maldives and the Island, Tara Island. Yeah, it's very beautiful. I hope that after everything is recovered, then we can have chances to be there, to have fun there, to see this kind of beautiful sea. And the next, this is the railway and airport engineering in Doha, Qatar. This is the project we participated in 2014. We have provided the HDPE, water supplying pipe and fittings, and also the PPR products. So the PPR products occurs with the ISO 15874, while the PE occurs with ISO 4427. And this is the project that started in 2014. And the size will provide the PE that ranges from DN 110 to DN 355. Yeah, so this is the project that we have participated in. And the next, this is also happens in 2014. It's called Park Your New Genius Pop Program. It's very how do you feel about this project? It's giant, it's beautiful. Yeah, I think so. It is in the Popular New Genius Pot. Yeah, so what we have offered is called UPVC, HDP, and PPR pipes and fittings. And during this project, we was rewarded a great satisfaction with the contractor. We won high reputation in the area. Yeah, so we have also participated in different projects in this in the past years. So, okay, welcome our new friends. Come to our live show. Here's Sandy from Reham Packages. In this live show, we have introduced our our PPR products, includes with the PPR pipes and the PPR fittings, and also introduce our factory and some of our projects to all of you. We have weight the PPR fittings to test our quality. What I want to say is that if you have any inquiries, if you have any problems, you can leave messages to us. Yeah, you can have us in your record list. I mean, so in the future, you may have something that want us to quote, or you may want some projects um, we are always here for you. Yeah, so it's very happy to be here to introduce Rehome Pack to all of you. So it's my great honor here. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please leave messages. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye to all of you. And in the this in today's live show, I just introduced the PPR projects, but in the last video show, I think we will introduce HTTP. Okay, so it's very nice